Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gardening Paradise. A garden is the best place in the house, according to me, as as it is the only place where a person can get relief from a busy life. Moreover, having a garden in the house will come many health benefits. And for instance, a garden has many plants that give oxygen. Furthermore, the small smell of flowers and can refresh a person's mind in the morning. However, in this era, people are not able to build a garden because of the lack of the space. And also something that it is a lot of space, so the garden are no more present in the house. On the other hand, garden is the house or necessary in order to lead a peaceful life. A garden plays major role. Gardening is including the in and doming, growing, cultivating, and planting of a new plants and taking care of them. Plants are an essential items of nature, and having them cultivated in a garden helps us to remain in constant touch with the greenery and nature. Garden make a house look gorgeous. For this purpose, gardening is of necessity. Without gardening and is of necessity. Without gardening, the garden would look wild and dirty with excessive growth and dense bushes. I have a small beautiful garden in front of my house. There are many beautiful flowers like rose, orchids, sunflowers, and lilies in my garden. My garden loves gardening. My grandfather loves gardening and tends to our garden every day. And I have a small garden in my house, and it's a beautiful greenery. And thanks for watching.